With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, a small pulse is generated on the ring rotating with constant angular velocity omega as shown in the figure. Then the speed of the pulse with respect to ground will be. So if you see here, we want the speed of the pulse with respect to ground. So let us calculate the speed of the pulse with respect to this ring first. So for that we will take a small segment of making angle d theta at the center like this. So if you see here, the tension will be acting here perpendicular like this, So it will be T and T, it is 90 and 90, this angle is theta, so this will be 180 minus theta. So from the symmetry, resultant will be directed toward the center, and since the vectors are equal, so we know that in case of equal vector we write down 2a cos theta by 2. So here the vector is having t magnitude and angle between them is pi by this pi. So pi by 2 minus theta by 2, it is sin theta, right? Sin d theta by 2. So since if you see the angle is so small, right? So you can replace this sin d theta by 2 by, it will be this. Now if you see the mass of this small part, it will be r d theta. It is length into this. Mass per unit length into length. Length will be what? You can calculate, it will be this. Now if you write down the mass per unit length, right, if you see here, it is by 2 pi r. M by 2 pi into theta, mass of this small part. Now you can just write down the circular centripetal force to perform the circular motion is m omega square r. You can also write down m v square by r as well. So m omega square r, so resultant force is t into theta, and the dm is m by 2 pi omega square r d theta. So theta, so you can cancel out this theta and theta. So see, we got this, right? Now if I talk about the velocity of this transverse wave, right, it will be under root of t by mu, where mu is the mass per unit length, right? So we want to compare these two, right? So if you see here, it will be equals to under root of t by mass per unit length, it is this. And if you multiply and divide by r, so you could see you got this omega r is equals to the same. So they both are same. And this was what? This was with respect to the ring. So I will write down the velocity of, if you see what we want, the velocity of speed of the pulse, right? So speed of the pulse with respect to the ring is omega r, and it is having the same magnitude and in the same sense as well. So speed of the pulse with respect to ground, it will be speed of the pulse with respect to ring plus speed of the ring, right? So if you see here in the question, here this is the direction of rotation, right? And if you see omega is given, right? So if I write down with respect to the ground, it will be minus v, that is 0, since though the two are equal. Now if you see, D is the correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.